Legendary Beats.
If I tell you do like this, I'ma show my do like this. If I tell you do like that.
Hey guys, what's up? First and foremost, Happy New Year's. I can't believe it's 2019. Today, for my very first video of the year, I have a get ready with me. It's makeup, hair, and outfit, so I really hope y'all enjoy. And stay tuned if you want to see it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's move forward with the video. Bye guys. Hey guys, alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start this tutorial off with the fresh face, and of course the eyebrows are done. So jumping into makeup, I decided to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I picked this up literally about a couple of days ago because it was all the rave, child. So I only used it for the first time this video, but I'm gonna keep using it and give y'all a detailed review on how I feel about this primer. And now that I look crazy, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild concealer just as a quick base, nothing too crazy, but just so that my eyelids do not crease. Okay sis, I had to bring out Fenty Beauty since Rihanna wanted to go ahead and just drop everything out. This is from her first collection and it is in the shade 490. Jumping into concealer, I did go ahead and use my fave, which is the Revolution Conceal and Define C15. You guys, this concealer, I just feel like I'll never switch. I love this concealer. This is the only concealer I use, y'all. Like, it's perfect. It's great. It's thick. It's full coverage. It's wonderful. Like, look at how easy it blends. Come on. Come on. I love this concealer. Oh my goodness. For baking powder, I'm going to be using my trusty Airspun. And we're going to bake this face and dance while we bake. So I'm going to sweep it off real quick. And here is the trick, you guys. Don't just sweep it off. Go ahead and spray your beauty blender and then pat that in. That's going to take some of that white cast away. And then I'm going to go in with my Lancome powder in the last shade 550. And I'm going to brush that all over my face. And then I'm going to take my Fit Me powder in the shade 375. And I'm going to place that everywhere where I highlighted just to bring back some of my color as well. Eyelashes, y'all already know what the deal is. 3D Mist Lashes, of course. Now I'm going to spray my face real quick with the Urban Decay All-Nighter. And then I'm going to go with my favorite highlighter. Y'all know I do not switch. It is the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Gonna blend that out real quick. And then for my lip product, so this is actually eyeshadow based, but I use it as a lip product because it's so deep and rich. It is by NYX and it is the shade Dark Brown in the Jumbo Stick. And then I'm just gonna go in real quick with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick. Okay guys, now we're going on to hair. You guys, okay, this is my favorite. Ooh. Girl, where your wig at? There we go. This is my favorite hair company, Alipearl. A review will be coming out shortly. This is their Brazilian straight, so I'm just going to go ahead and place the wig on my head. I just want to flatten the closure real quick with my Lotta Body mousse. Gonna put that on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start messing with my baby hairs. I literally just do a little swivel at the front. That's all I do. I don't like to do too much. Just a little swivel at the top, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna go in with my Gatsby and I'm gonna place that on top of it so that it sticks and holds. Now I'm going to straighten my hair. As y'all can see, the hair is already straightened, but I just want it to be a little bit more straight. So I'm going to go in, use the chasing method where I take my brush and my flat iron and just work my way around my head real quick. And now I'm done. Look at her. She's looking cute, fine, and everything in between. So now it's time for the outfit. So here I am, you guys, in my robe, in my room. I squeezed into this bodysuit, and then I'm thinking about this little duster, puts it on, and look at her, just looking all cute with her Firmoo glasses. Come on now. And this is a whole entire fit. I paired it with my Michael Kors red bags, Fashion Nova boots, okay? Look at her, looking cute. Come on. And we made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.